Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best robot vacuum for tile and carpet you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many robot vacuum for tile and carpet and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each robot vacuum for tile and carpet, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a robot vacuum for tile and carpet. First, check the suction power because stronger suction helps clean deep carpet fibers and pick up debris from tile floors. Next, look for smart navigation features that help the robot move efficiently and avoid obstacles. Multi-surface sensors are also important, so the vacuum can automatically adjust between tile and carpet. Battery life matters too, especially if you have a large home, as longer runtime ensures complete cleaning without frequent charging. Dustbin capacity and easy maintenance are key for convenience, reducing how often you need to empty or clean it. Lastly, check for app control or voice assistant compatibility for added comfort. Choosing a model that fits your flooring type and lifestyle will save time and keep your home cleaner. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews and tips.